Okay, this week price is sitting at key higher time frame levels across multiple pairs. In this video, I'll break down GU, EU, gold and silver and the exact areas I'm watching going into the new week. So let's dive into the chart. So if you move over to GU and we check the monthly time frame, you can see that we are currently in a monthly level, which I indicated I'll be looking out to see a sell start from this level. So after price took this level here, following the yearly time frame, this is the monthly confirmation, and I want to see price move down here. I don't know when that will happen or if that will actually even happen, but that is what I am seeing on GU. So this is what the monthly time frame looks like. Then on the weekly time frame, we can see price reacting from a weekly average. So you can see here, price reacting from a weekly average, and price closed below. Price closed below the weekly average. So if you move over to the daily time frame, then you see this price has actually given us a confirmation to sell this from this daily. That is, we can sell from here, and this is our fact target, but we don't take entry from the daily time frame. So I'll be looking forward to a 4-hour confirmation, and currently price has not given us any confirmation on this daily time frame. And I also have this level here in case price doesn't give us a good confirmation here on GU. Okay, currently now we can see what price is doing. So price now has given us a confirmation following the daily structure. So I want to say something like this: price take out this level as engineered inducement. So price take out this level. After taking out this level, then use here as entry. So this is what I have on GU right now at the moment. This is what I have on GU right now. So this is our target right here. So let's see how it goes. So this is what I'm looking forward to GU. So for this week, I don't know how far price wants to go or where price intends to go, but this is what I'm looking out for on GU this week. So price was coming here, maybe we get invalidated or price sells. I don't know how far price is going to go for the week, but that's all I have for GU. Now let's go over to EU. On EURUSD, we can see, let me clear this up. So on EURUSD, we have been bullish yeah, bullish from the monthly time frame. We can see this price took this low, and after taking this low, price just kept buying. So the buy is on and on. So price have been buying, and then what happens on the weekly time frame? We are still bullish. On the weekly time frame, we are still bullish. So since we are bullish, we don't take trades from the weekly time frame, but rather we take trades from the 4-hour time frame. So we have to see what daily time frame is doing to know where we are going to take a trade from on the 4 hours. So on the daily, we can see the price is currently at an average, which is right here, and we can see that yesterday price rejected. Yesterday's candle closed with a rejection. So all I have to do is just move over to the 4-hour time frame and take this level right here and M3. I would have placed my stops here, but I don't want any surprises, so our stops is gonna be here. And that's it for EURUSD. We're bullish, so we remain bullish until price takes this high right here. So that's it for EURUSD. Now over to gold. For gold, we have been bullish for a very long time now on gold. Not actually a long time, but since the end of last month. And if we start on the weekly time frame, price is still maintaining the bullish momentum and currently in a weekly average, but we are bullish, so we're not going to care about that weekly average at the moment because that's a bearish average. So if we move over to daily time frame, we can see we have series of breaks of structures. So we have structure break here, structure break here. We have another one here, making it the third one, and then another one making it the fourth one. So what price did? Price came back and took this fourth one yesterday. Price took the fourth one yesterday. So when price takes out a low, we then expect price to take out the high. So this is a daily low being invalidated. So move over to the 4-hour time frame and then look for a way to continue the trend down to the top. So it's possible that we see price come this way. It's possible that we see price come down to this order here, to this order block here. But for now, I'm expecting price to come back to this order block here instead. this one right here. So expect us to come back to this other block here and buy from here. So I expect a buy from this level. So I expect to see price buy from this level up to this level right here. So that is what I have on gold. So over to silver. We also be bullish on silver as we are bullish on gold, and you can see very strong bullish on the weekly. And we go over to daily time frame, and then we see also strong bullish movement. So we also have breaks of structures. Let me indicate them. 4 breaks now. On silver we have 4 breaks now. We have 1 and we have 2 and we have 3, and then we have a 4th one which happened here. Now this level then looks good for a buy, which is this level right here, and price has tapped into it and rejected. So if we look at this carefully from the 4-hour time frame, you'll notice that we have no inducement taken and price has just been ranging. So what do I want to see now? I want to see price come in here, take this level. So I want to see price take this level, then give us a confirmation. To see price take this level, then give us a confirmation for a buy, or price might take everything, come into this breaker block here and then buy. So any of this is possible, but we don't even know if it's gonna happen. Price will do its thing. Price might decide to just invalidate and start selling. So for me to buy right now, I expect to see a sweep of this low and a confirmation, or a tap into this level and a confirmation. Then I'll be interested in going higher. So that is it for silver. So currently I'm bullish on gold, I'm bullish on silver. Now GBPUSD and EURUSD is quite funny because they move the same. So the fact that I'm having different approach on them is quite interesting. So I'm bearish on GBPUSD and bullish on EURUSD. The reason why I am bearish on GBPUSD comes from the yearly time frame, and the reason why I'm bullish on EURUSD comes also from the daily time frame. And you see that more clearly if you move over to FXCM. If you go to FXCM, EURUSD, if you look at this and you tap into the yearly, you notice that we are bullish on this yearly time frame. It's quite funny. But on forex.com we should be bearish because the structure there the structure on this forex.com is just a bearish structure. I'm saying on GBPUSD it's just bearish. If you go to GBPUSD FXCM, you also see that it's consistently bearish. Yeah, it did not change, so it has been bearish. A little bullish move, bearish, then we took this low. If you see that we are still bearish on this FXCM. So that is it for this GBPUSD. We are bearish. EURUSD on FXCM says bullish. You can see that we tapped into this FVG and the yearly rejected it. So price now is supposed to keep going bullish to take out this high above, or the closest high we can find, which is this high right here. So which is this high right here. I don't know if price intends to come down to this level first. So if price intends to do this, that means that our focus on EURUSD being bearish on forex.com seems to be a better choice to take. But I'm trying to follow the overall data. On the overall data, we have FXM have a better data, more data, not actually better, more data compared to forex.com. But forex.com, the reason why I use forex.com because the candle closures are complete, there is no gap and mistakes on the candle representations. If we decide to even look at this carefully, so we are bullish, we have prices actively bullish, this low is taken, so down we expect that high to be taken. So that's all for this. That's all for this. So just watch carefully. If price invalidates this, takes out this, then we see what to do next. So that's that for EURUSD, GBPUSD, gold and silver. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the content, and like, subscribe and share. Wish you a profitable week. Thank you.